The lemon milk font is a hot topic, and so many people are asking how to get a lemon milk font in CapCut. Well, thus in this video, we're going to show you how to apply and use this font on mobile and PC. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the browser on your phone. Type this address into the address bar. Once the page is loaded, click on Download here to download the font. After the download is complete, open the Files app. Go to the Downloads folder. Find the zip file of the lemon milk font you just downloaded. Press and hold the pop-up menu. Click on Compress to unzip the file. Then, go back to the main interface. Go to CapCut. Open or create a new project file. Click on Text. Add text. Enter some text. And click on Font. Then, click on the plus sign here. And the folder menu will pop up. Find the file folder you just unzipped in Downloads, and you can see a lot of files here, which represent the different font thickness. Choose the one you wish to work with. Now go back to the CapCut user interface. Click the Import font here, and you will then see the lemon milk font. Click the Import font here, and you will then see the lemon milk font. Now you can use this font in CapCut. Compared with the mobile, it is easier to use the lemon milk font on PC. First, download the font. Then, unzip it and double-click the file. Click on Install here. Or you can select all the font files and put them in this folder. Then you can use the font on your computer. Here we will demonstrate with the VideoProc. Open the software. Find the text in the toolbar. In the upper right corner of the inspector, click on the little triangle here to select the font. Pull down the menu. And you will find the lemon milk font you just installed. Select it. By the way, VideoProc is a very beginner-friendly editing software. The interface is easy to use and completely free with no watermark. It comes with a range of features such as motion, speed ramp, color grading, dynamic crop, audio editor, picture-in-picture, green screen, and more. And VideoProc is also equipped with the ability to handle 4K and 8K video. And it doesn't require much computer performance. Here are the requirements of VideoProc for computer configuration. Alright, if you reached this far, I think you have already figured out how to use the lemon milk font on mobile and PC. If you want to know more about other editing tips or what has been going on with VideoProc, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!